everybody, hope you're well, and I hope you can hear me. It's very windy today. This video is all about a new phone from Ulefone, and this is the ARMOR X32 Pro, and this is it here. And I've brought it out on the bike because I've got it on one of their mounts, and this is probably one of the best mounts I've seen for a motorbike because it's rubber mounted, and even on this old thing that shakes everything to bits, there's always something falling off this because it's vibrated it off. This keeps it stable, which I'm really impressed with the mount. I'm good old Ulefone, we've worked with them quite a few times, we've done a number of videos for them, and they must have done well, because as well as giving me this one to keep, they've also sent another one to give away to a subscriber. Let's just roll the VT and show you how good they are. Let's show you how it was delivered and what you get in the box. So that's the actual phone, lovely blank screen. It's well made, it's got like a rubberized edging on it. It's tough and Gorilla Glass. Feels really solid. Security features on it, passcode, face recognition and fingerprint on the button on the side as well as all the standard features you get on an Android through Google. It's got all these hidden settings in here as well, including the remote control. I've showed this before where you can use this as an infrared remote control for various devices. Also in this setting it has the toolbox setting. It's got an FM radio there. This is the toolbox setting that's in there, which is really good. So you've got compass, height measurements, barometer, plumb line, protractor. It's a really good piece of kit to have all those additional hidden features in there. And it's also a preset with YouTube on there, MT Music, Netflix. SIM cards settings on the side, nice protection for the camera. This obviously was in the river and it's about that, no problem whatsoever with those waterproof settings it's got. Just has one charging port on the bottom, and in the box you get a USB-C lead, which is obviously for charging, but if you have another Android you can link them both together to update all the information from your own phone to your new one, or if you're moving from Apple you create a Google account in your new phone and transfer everything across. The only thing is it still comes with a European charging plug. That's the only thing, the only negative I would say about this phone. Comes with a lanyard, the pin to get your card in and out. Comes with a safety glass. There is actually a protective screen on there, but it comes with quite a thick one. and your general instructions. They can buy lots of different accessories, so this is an additional case. Even though this is an armoured one, I don't think it's really a protective case, but that fits in there like that and clicks in. And then on the back you can fit this on, slides in there, and that's got a clip on it. And this one here slides in, it's got a carabiner or a snap gate on there. So if you're using this out and about, camping or climbing or on a farm or in industry, you can actually clip it to something with this, or actually clip it onto your rucksack with this little snapgate carabiner. That's the mount I've shown on the motorbike. It's a brilliant piece of kit, is that. But on their website they do lots of accessories, and if you check the website you can see what else comes with it, or what's available for this model and the other models. So it's interesting, isn't it? If you think of the price of this and the quality and all the functions that's on here compared to an iPhone, and this is a fraction of the price. You'd have seen earlier on in the setting there regarding how long the battery lasts. It's incredible how long the battery lasts on this compared to an iPhone. I think you can have 10 hours of video playback time on this. So if you want to use it for gaming, you'll have plenty of time. But if you're using it for an expedition or camping with that much power, it's going to last you for a good trip, and you're not going to be panicking about charging it up all the time. This is in the night vision mode, and it literally is pitch black out here. There's the moon. And there's the Whippets. I can't see anything at all in front of me. These work really well. I'll switch over to an iPhone now and show you the difference. So that's with an iPhone. There's the moon and the stars, and you can't see anything at all. As with the torch on, and without the torch. And there we are back in night vision. Really is impressive. And the stars, nice sky. And some more of the specs on the back of the box. This one here is the one we're going to do the giveaway. As you see, it's a new one, still got its cellophane on. So the way to win one of these, as normal, in the comments of this video leave the words "I want one", and we'll randomly scan through and we'll pick a winner. You need to be a subscriber of this channel and you need to be in the UK. We'll cover the postage, and if anybody else contacts you, it's purely a scam. We'll communicate with the winner first of all, but in a future video you'll see the slide of the winner's comment, and then we'll communicate through my email, which is onemanandhiswhippet@gmail.com. We'll cover all the costs, as I say, and we'll get it out to you. The other thing with these as well is they're less than £200, and if you consider the price of an iPhone, even a second-hand one, you'd pay that for a second-hand iPhone. These are brand new, come with a warranty, waterproof, and as they say, they're armoured. They take all the knocks and bangs. So even if you're using it as a second phone for your motorbiker in the workshop, they're great value. We'll announce the winner of this giveaway in a future video. We've probably got a few giveaways to do, so keep an eye out for future videos, and I think we've got some more giveaways to come as well. If you want to know more information about this, the links are as normal are in the description. These are less than 200 quid, I think they're around £180, but there might even be a discount code below as well. The Ulefone might have sent me a discount code they normally do. And even if this video's done, you're looking at this video in the future, I do update the information below, so do check. So that just leaves me to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Now, will this whole thing start? The answer is eventually.